Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add page in Squarespace. So simply in order to do this, as you can see I have currently 4 pages here. So now I want to add a new page here. So simply just on the left side you can see the pages tab available. So just click on pages, and now here on the top side you can see the plus button. So simply just click here, and now here what kind of page do you want to create? Blank page, pages layout, scheduling. So simply I want to add a blank page. You can also select the pages that you want to create according to your choice. So simply I select the blank page, and now here wait for a few seconds, our page is being created. Now simply type the page name here, like I type the collections here, and after just when I type the name, simply click on outside, and now wait for a few seconds. So here you can see we have successfully created our page. So in this way you can add or create a page in Squarespace.